Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video, I'm going to go and show you how to use your phone as a microphone on your PlayStation 5. So let's go ahead and jump into the video right now. Now, this will work in any situation. So if your headset went ahead and broke over the weekend, you can easily substitute it with your phone until you get a new one. Now, if we go over to my phone right now, and we go to the Google Play Store and select this, and then we can go to PS app and open this up, and I'll show you how to do this with another application as well. But if we open up PS app, then sign in with our email address and our password associated with our PlayStation account, we can open up the party screen. So here's the party screen. Then we can go to someone's name, and then we can join the party chat directly from our phone if we click on the headset on the top. So let's start a new party, and now we should be able to use our phone as a microphone in this party chat. You can see my voice symbol right here. I can mute my mic down here, I can put it on speaker, or I can leave the party. So if you just need it for party chat, this will work in this situation. Now if we back out and we go back to the Google Play Store right here, and we type in PS Remote Play, and we select this, and we get this application. PlayStation PS Remote Play. We can open this up as well. So let's open this, and this will allow us to stream our PlayStation 4 or 5 directly to our phone. So if you're on the same network, your Wi-Fi router, etc., you can simply just find your PlayStation. Otherwise, you'll have to type in like a specific code. So I'm going to click on my PS5, and it's going to go ahead and search for it. Alright, so this is what the PS Remote Play application looks like. You can control your PlayStation with your phone. This is the D-pad. This is the thumbsticks right here. And you can see all the other additional buttons. But right in the middle of the screen is the microphone. So if I tap this, we can now talk using the microphone on our phone with our PlayStation. So if we're in the game chat, or if we're in like the party chat, or maybe if we're recording videos in Share Factory, we can simply use the microphone just through this. So this could be a temporary method, or you can use this a little bit longer term, and you have everything necessary to control your PlayStation. And you can disconnect by going to the settings on the bottom. So it's very easy to do. And when you go ahead and disconnect, you can put your console into rest mode from here. And you can connect a controller directly to your phone to control your PlayStation as well. So if you want to connect via Bluetooth or maybe with a USB cable to your phone, it's very simple. But that's how you would go ahead and use your microphone on your phone on the PlayStation 5. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, go and leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech out videos coming up next on YourSixStudios.